Welcome! In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to know about using Cash App, a popular mobile payment service. Let's get started. Cash App is a mobile payment service that allows users to transfer money to one another using a mobile phone app. It's fast, convenient, and widely used for both personal and business transactions. First, download Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Open the app and enter your phone number or email address. You'll receive a confirmation code to verify your account. Follow the prompts to create a unique username, known as the cash tag, and link your bank account or debit card. To send money, open Cash App and enter the amount you want to send. Tap Pay, then enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number or email address. Add a note if you'd like, and then tap Pay to complete the transaction. The money will be transferred instantly. When someone sends you money, you'll receive a notification. The funds will appear in your Cash App balance, which you can keep in the app or transfer to your linked bank account. To transfer funds, tap Cash Out. Select the amount and choose your deposit speed. You can also request money from others. Enter the amount you need. Tap Request and enter the recipient's cash tag, phone number or email address. Add a note if necessary and tap Request to send the request. Cash App offers a free, customizable debit card called the Cash Card. To order one, tap the Cash Card tab in the app and follow the instructions. You can use the Cash Card to make purchases or withdraw cash from ATMs. It also offers instant discounts at selected merchants. Cash App allows you to buy and sell stocks and Bitcoin directly from the app. Tap the Investing tab. Choose stocks or Bitcoin and follow the prompts to make your investment. You can start with as little as $1. Cash App is equipped with several security features. Enable additional security measures like PIN entry, fingerprint recognition, and notifications for each transaction. If you encounter any issues, Cash App offers customer support through the app. You can also visit the Cash App website for additional resources. To recap, Cash App is a versatile and user-friendly mobile payment service. You can send and receive money, request funds, use the Cash Card, invest in stocks and Bitcoin, and even more. Start using Cash App today for seamless financial transactions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful guides.